Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on OnePlus 9. Firstly, go into the wallet. Now tap on Add Wallet. Now tap on Add Wallet or the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Loyalty. Now select from which company you would like to add a loyalty card. Now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually in the bottom right corner, and here entering your member ID. After you've done it, just simply tap on Add Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.